Long before fantasy gave us werewolves and dragons, a real predator ruled the lands of Ice Age America, the direwolf. Massive, powerful, and built for survival. These beasts weren't just bigger versions of today's wolves. They weighed up to 150 pounds, with stronger jaws and a more muscular frame, making them one of the top predators of their time. For nearly 250,000 years, direwolves roamed from Alaska to South America, hunting bison, ancient horses, and even mammoths. They lived and hunted in packs, much like modern wolves, but they were no ordinary canines. Thanks to the fossil-rich Brea Tar Pits in California, we've uncovered thousands of dire wolf skeletons, offering a stunning look at their bones, their habits, and their world. But here's the wild part. Despite the name, dire wolves weren't actually close relatives of gray wolves. Recent DNA studies show they were a completely different branch of the canine family tree. More ancient, more isolated, and possibly more primitive in some ways. But around 10,000 years ago, the Ice Age ended, the climate shifted, and their prey disappeared. The dire wolves, unable to adapt quickly enough, went extinct. Smaller, more flexible predators like gray wolves and coyotes took their place. But not anymore. Scientists found thousands of their bones in tar pits in California. Using ancient DNA from dire wolf fossils, scientists at Colossal Biosciences have 3 genetically engineered pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi modern gray wolves, to exhibit dire wolf traits. These pups were created by extracting ancient DNA from dire wolf fossils and integrating key genetic traits into modern gray wolves, aiming to recreate characteristics such as size, fur color, and musculature. These playful pups might look like regular wolves, but they're making history. In shows like Game of Thrones, they became mythic creatures. But the truth is just as epic. The dire wolf was real, it was deadly, and for a time, it ruled, and now they are back.